KAGS weather camera is brought to you by Lone Star Roof Systems. No jingles, just roofs.
Good Tuesday evening. Looking a little bit like Seattle out there. We have that light drizzle and that low overcast. Taking a live look outside of Bryan, courtesy the KAGS weather cam. It is pretty nasty out there. Temperatures cooling off as well. We're sitting at 57 degrees here in Bryan College Station with a northwesterly breeze about 10 miles per hour. And just to our north and west, temperatures have fallen even further. Look at Temple, 46 degrees, 49 in Cameron, Giddings down to 50 degrees. And it is still a little bit warmer out across the east thanks to that cold front not advancing that far south and east yet, but it'll continue to work its way towards the southeast as we head into early tomorrow morning. Now, it is drizzling across the entire area, so this radar isn't really showing that too well. It's showing some of the heavier activity just to the north of Bryan College Station, but the entire Brazos Valley dealing with that mist out there as we have some warm air working up and over that colder air mass that is in place. Now, officially here in Bryan College Station, we actually picked up about 4/10 of an inch of rain at the airport, but unfortunately, the northern side of Bryan only got about 1/10 of an inch of rain, and you can see just to the south and the east, there was more rainfall down there towards the south of Brenham. Some areas picked up about 2 to 3 inches of rain. The closer you got to Conroe and Houston, that's where we saw some of those heavier rain amounts. Now look upstream, those temperatures pretty cold, 28 in Amarillo, 44 in Dallas. This air is going to start advancing towards the south and the east as we head into the overnight hours into tomorrow morning, and that is going to drop those temperatures pretty significantly. And the reason why is, well, there is a pretty cold air mass that's to the north and the west. This is some Canadian air that is seeping towards the south and the east. Now, it did cool off today in the Brazos Valley thanks to an initial Pacific front that worked its way in, but the temperatures with that Canadian air mass are much colder in the 30s and 40s, and that'll continue to advance towards the south and the east heading into tomorrow, overtaking that Pacific cold front. But also we're going to continue to deal with this drizzle and cloud cover as we have some warm air lifting over that dense Canadian air mass. That's going to lead to that overcast and drizzly conditions that'll continue into tomorrow morning and also into the afternoon hours. Could be a few elevated storms trying to lift their way through as that cold front advances to the south of the Brazos Valley. The good news, though, heading into Thursday, begin to see some clearing, so it's going to be dry for all the trick-or-treaters, so you're not going to have to deal with any of the rain, and that is the good news. You're going to deal with the cold temperatures, though. Notice the feels like temperatures heading into tomorrow afternoon, going to feel like it's in the 30s when you're leaving work and when those kiddos are leaving school, so going to be chilly. Check out the feels like temperatures heading into Thursday morning. Now, this is probably overdoing it a little bit, so add about 5 degrees to what our model is showing, and we're going to see feels like temperatures in the mid-20s out there Thursday morning, so it's going to be extremely uncomfortable. The kids need to be bundled up. You need to be bundled up. Luckily, though, as we head in the afternoon hours, we start to see that wind die down, so that will allow those wind chills to kind of relax. But still, we're going to have temperatures in the 40s for the trick-or-treaters, so it is going to be cool out there, and we're talking about the possibility of it being one of the coldest Halloween mornings, looking at a forecast low of 34, and those temperatures are going to be even colder Friday morning, looking at